Feeling stressed out lately? In today's short video, I am going to share with you 3 powerful tips to help you manage everyday stress. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back. My name is Dom, and I help people to step into their truth and power. You know, the past couple of years have been quite a ride, huh? There has been so much uncertainty about everything, really, and with uncertainty often comes stress. Stress tends to really manifest itself when we carry over yesterday's concerns into our present-day concerns, or if we carry over our concerns for the future into our present-day concerns. Anytime we have an accumulation of unresolved past issues or pending future issues, there will almost always end up a high stress level. Therefore, we must be able to find healthy ways to dump all of our concerns from the previous days or our concerns about the future and really just concentrate on today. So stress busting tip number 1, we're going to give this a try right now. Resolve to release every thought from yesterday and the future and just only be mindful of the present moment right now. This thought only in this moment. In just this breath, for just a moment, close your eyes, take in a very deep breath, and slowly release it. And doing it again. And then a third time. Doing this at least 3 times. Now, as you continue to do this, at the same time, just feel as you breathe in and out, feel each and every concern and every problem and each and every unresolved moment begin to dissolve. You can deal with them at a later time, but for now, as you're doing this breathing, you only want to be in this very moment. Let's give this another try. Let's do it one more time. Close your eyes and breathe in and release. And breathe in again. And release. And one last time. And release. As you do this, you really will notice that you're going to go to that inner quiet place. And I invite you to really go deep inside to that place where you feel that you are at peace. And then just really relax into it and continue to breathe in deeply to it and just really enjoy that feeling of being at one and at peace within yourself in that moment. Using this special time and place to be calm, just free your mind and body of all worry, all regret, all disappointment, and any anger or grief. My gosh, I'm just doing that. I can just feel the stress go already. Stress busting tip number 2. Think of one particular act, such as rocking your baby or taking a quick stroll. Maybe it's raking leaves. And just do that one simple thing. All the while, your mind is quiet and calm and you are just in your own special place with it. Practice this act of quiet and calm each day, and you'll begin to see that you will accomplish so much more. At the first sign of being stressed, go back to this mindful, quiet place and start all over again until you've reached your inner place of calm again. Stress-busting tip number 3. The very best thing that you can do for yourself is to eat, drink, and rest to your health. Stress is easily brought on by not sleeping, eating, and drinking properly. And when we don't get the number of hours of sleep that you need each night, you are only setting yourself up for additional stress. When it comes to eating, limit the amount of salt and sugars and limit the caffeine intake, especially in the afternoon and evenings. When it comes to drinking, make sure you're drinking plenty of clean, pure water each day and do at least moderate exercise each day as well. All of this will breathe new life into your skin and your hair and nourish all of your vital organs and actually breathe new life into your life. Most of all, take time to breathe properly. As I mentioned before, take deep belly breaths to send pure oxygen to all of your body. Find a way to laugh, and then even laugh some more, because laughter is food for the soul. And spend time doing the things that really please you the most. Engage in those healthy things that make you feel happy and feel good, and really invest more time into fulfilling relationships instead of avoiding them. Work through any problems or challenges that would normally erode the closeness that you have with those special people in your life. When we feel really passionate about what we're doing and living a balanced life every day, any stress seems to pale in comparison to it, and we are just better equipped to deal with any unexpected circumstances that happen to arise. But the best part about it is that you can take control of this today. You don't have to expect or wait for other people to change to help you feel less stressed. You have all the power within you to change your experience right now, starting right now in this moment. It's you who must change how you're dealing with it, and it starts by simply making a decision. Start with isolating only one particular stressor in your life, and then work on it until you're able to really master some control over the stress. So I'm curious, what has really been triggering stress in your life lately? Share that in the comments below, because I'd love to help, support, and inspire you to move through it. And if you found this video helpful, I would like to invite you to join me in my brand new free online community, ProEmpowerment Online. I continue to share valuable content in the newsfeed of that community each week, but even more, you're going to have the ability to join in the conversation in a place that you can share freely in with like-minded people, but without feeling judged or being shut down or censored for your beliefs. To join me in that community, it is 100% free. Just go on over to the link that I put in the comments and description box below, the ProEmpowerment Online link, and I will see you inside the community. And so with that, I'd like to thank you for joining me today. I love that you've taken just a few minutes of your day here to join me. And so until I connect with you again for my next video, choose to live more consciously and stay empowered.